Every second behind the wheel can change your life forever. Tonight, we'll witness moments where distraction and overconfidence lead to disaster. Real dashcam footage, real consequences. A calm highway. The driver's attention slips to his phone for just 3 seconds. That's all it takes. A truck suddenly stops ahead. Too late to react. Distraction doesn't warn you, it just strikes.
Oh shit, oh shit!
A mountain road covered in snow. The SUV enters the curve too fast. Tires lose grip, control is gone. Overconfidence meets physics, and physics always wins.
Oh shit, oh shit!
Oh shit.
What happened?
That car ran a red light right there. That one.
This one? Oh.
Downtown intersection. The light turns red. One impatient driver decides to ignore it. The result is instant and violent. Saving 5 seconds can cost a lifetime. He's been tailgating for miles, just inches from the car ahead. The driver in front taps the brakes, and chaos begins. A chain reaction of metal and panic. Distance means time, and time means survival. Rural road. The driver crosses a solid line, blind curve ahead. Headlights appear. A truck closing fast. He swerves off-road, inches from death. Sometimes the luckiest drivers are the ones who crash alone. Wet city streets. A young driver shows off. Speed, noise, ego. But confidence without skill always ends the same. Metal meets concrete. Ego meets reality.
Oh.
A crosswalk. A mother and her child. The car turns without checking. Brakes scream. Hearts stop. It's not always the driver.
When all your friends and Taylor Swift's uncle win an entire row of tickets to see her Eras to Alive in Singapore. Listen at 8 and...
Visibility near zero. A massive truck locks its brakes. The trailer folds like a blade. In seconds, every lane is blocked. For the cars behind, there's nowhere left to go. One mistake, 1 second. Every crash you've seen tonight began with a small choice. If this made you think, drive safer. Subscribe for more real road lessons from Fatal Frame Cases.